Være.
To be.
Have.
To have.
Gå.
To go.
Gøre.
To do.
Sig.
To say.
Kunne.
To be able to. Can.
Se.
To see.
Ville.
To want.
Komme.
To come.
Skulle.
To have to. Must.
Tage.
To take.
Finde.
To find.
Give.
To give.
Tale.
To speak.
Kunne lide.
To like.
Lægge.
To put.
Vide.
To know. Something.
Spørge.
To ask.
Høre.
To hear.
Kigge.
To look.
Blive.
To stay.
Tænke.
To think.
Føle.
To feel.
Forlade.
To leave.
Spise.
To eat.
Bruge.
To use.
Tro.
To believe.
Begynde.
To start, begin.
Skrive.
To write.
Tag på.
To put on. Clothes.
Lege.
To play.
Vælge.
To choose.
Arbejde.
To work.
Forstå.
To understand.
Have brug for.
To need.
Sidde.
To sit.
Prøve.
To try.
Læse.
To read.
Kom tilbage.
To return, come back.
Ændre.
To change.
Gå.
To walk.
Dreje.
To turn.
Sove.
To sleep.
Elske.
To love.
Kende.
To know someone.
Hjælpe.
To help.
Huske.
To remember.
Åbne.
To open.
Drikke.
To drink.
Få.
To get.
Lære.
To learn.
Købe.
To buy.
Lytte.
To listen.
Lukke.
To close.
Glemme.
To forget.